We kind of describe ourselves as like a trad fusion girl band.
Yeah, we're all in second year down in University of Limerick. So we're playing with each other the whole time, so it only made sense for us to come up with the band.
We're here today, we won the Battles of the Band. That was our first ever thing that we did.
Yeah.
So we won the Battles of the Band and the prize was to get to play at the festival.
Yeah. So we jumped at it and we did it.
Yeah.
And we won it.
Yeah, thankfully. My grandparents all moved to England and like all of my family play, so it kind of got just like passed down generations and a way of like keeping our like Irish heritage alive in a different country.
Yeah, no, it was similar for me. I started cultus when I was 9 and I kind of didn't even know what trad music was. I have a musical background from my mom and dad, but it definitely wouldn't be trad. So then I joined cultus when I was 9 and it quite literally took off from there. And I have siblings that play trad as well, so when we all joined we were all jumping off each other's passions and ideas, and that's why I love Irish music.